Today, I want to talk about how I built a 24/7 AI agent sales team for under $500. I mean, I guess I don't know the total amount, but when I really think about it, I know it's maybe been 100, $200, and that was pretty much all to the Codex or Claude code subscription. So, this is how I built this entire system. I guess we can do a quick call real quick. So you can see we have a bunch of, this is a CRM essentially, but I also can make AI agents in it, right? So I can click my AI agents. We could do a test call. I guess I'll just do a test call to myself real quick, or I could even show you from on a web page. So let's say we'll do this one first, but I can show you another multiple examples. All right, so let's run a test call real quick. I've set up the audio now, so you should be able to hear the AI agent actually respond. I'm gonna get a call on my phone here, and then I'm gonna transfer the audio to the computer so that we can hear it better. Hi, this is Nolan. Who's calling?
Hey, this is Jess. Would you hate me if I made your business free video ads?
Would I hate you if you made free video? I don't know if I'd hate you, or is this a real thing? Kind of sounds like a scam.
It's real, and I get the skepticism. We're giving 300 free video ads to a few businesses in exchange for testimonials and results data. The creative is free if you're accepted, but you still run the paid test. Our clients are already booking multiple $5,000 plus home service jobs using the system. Would you be opposed to me sending a link so you can apply for the free ads?
No, I'm not opposed to that at all. Maybe can you shoot it on over?
All right, let me send that over and then I'll tell you what to do next. Just sent it. Fill that out when you have a minute and get your free 300 video ads.
Oh, so there we go. As you can see, well, thank you, Jess. I appreciate you. You have a good day now. So I hung up the call, but you can see the AI did send me the link. Boom. Here is the Siege founding cohort. Fill it out when you have a minute. Viewed. So yeah, takes me to the landing page. So the point is, if you want to be able to build an AI agent, sales team, market, whatever you want to call it, right? Manage your CRM. There's going to be a few things that you're going to need. I don't know if I should get too technical in this video or if I should talk about it more business owner to like business owner type thing. All right, so the biggest thing that I'd say I've learned when dealing with these AI agents for sales, the voice agents, texting agents, whatever it is, the biggest thing you're going to need to do is make sure each agent is tied to a specific offer. Okay, now you can give an AI agent an entire knowledge base. Sure, that's definitely something you can do. However, if you tie it to a specific offer, now we're giving it more of a one role that it needs to get really good at, right? It needs to know everything about the one offer instead of the whole business. Now, is there a side of things like, does this cause issues? Like, if the customer asks a question about the business, are we now screwed? No, not at all. Because we can have two separate levels. Sorry, I hope my dog isn't too loud here. Anyways, we can have two separate levels. The point is this: you can have your offer and your knowledge base, and they can be two different things. The knowledge base can have the general brand info, the name of the company, where you're located, all what you do generally, and things like that. And the offer can have the more specific. So, in the case of the example I showed you, the 300 free video ads, that's a specific offer because now the AI agent knows exactly what our goal is, right? The goal is for us and this offer, the one that I showed you, to get people onto the onboarding page so that they can then fill out the application to see if they get the free 300 video ad. Okay? That's the AI agent's job. It has one job and it's going to execute it perfectly. Okay? Now, let's say for another example, right? Let's go dive into another example actually. Okay, so check this out. Let's say that you are a title company and you're always getting calls from real estate agents or other things, and they are trying to check on an order for 345 Oak Street, something like that, in let's say Detroit, Michigan. Okay, so they fill out the form on your website, they put their name and their number in, And then what happens is they're going to get a call now from your AI agent. So instead of your AI agent having an offer, this time the AI agent's one job, the one offer that it has, is to help with title closing info, right? Let me pick this up, transfer it to computer. Okay, sorry, I just called it and it keeps, the audio keeps coming through my phone. I can't get it to play out of my computer right now for some reason. I'm trying to transfer it over to my.
Hi, Nolan. This is Tina with 22 Title. I saw you were checking on a title order for 3455 Oak Street in Detroit, Michigan. Let me see what I can find out. Do you
Okay.
have a sec?
Yeah, I have a second. So can you help me out? What's do we have a current status on this or not yet?
Great. Thanks for taking my call. Let me pull up that order for 3455 Oak Street real quick. It looks like it's in process with our title team right now, but I don't see a final status update yet. Can you give me your order reference number or the buyer's last name so I can get more details and have our officer follow up today?
Yeah, just have them reach out to me when it's actually put through the system. That would be great. Just this, you got the address already, so we're all good. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna hang up on that. You get the point, right? The point is pretty simple. Give it one offer, one job to do, one role so that it can do that role to the best of its ability. Because if you know anything about AI agents, coding agents, whatever, you know that context window is one of the most important things, and managing the context is one of the most important things. All right, sorry, there's some work going on outside. I don't think it's being picked up by the microphone, but I'm sorry if it does get picked up a little bit. So the other thing is this: context windows I'm talking about managing, they can end up causing just constant hallucinations. Okay, that was one of the issues early on. That's still an issue today. If the context window gets too large and too much is being sent to the AI agent at one time, it starts to get confused. Now, how do we prevent this? Well, we can have guardrails, we can have deterministic, we can have like specific code that tells it when to do what process, like it hits different checkpoints type of a thing. Or we can just like focus the agent onto one offer, one specific thing, so that, or it only pulls bits when it needs it, right? So when I was talking earlier, we can have the brand view and we can have the knowledge base on the brand and we can have the specific offer, right? So between those two things, we can call one at a specific time. So we can have the offer always loaded because that's simple. That's like 2 sentences. You know, we'll get you 300 free video ads in exchange for a testimonial, a video testimonial, and 3 referrals. And the fact that we can use your results on our website. We can say that in 2 sentences. It's not going to blow up the context. But the knowledge base about our entire company and everything else about it, that can. So what do? We give the agent a tool so that it can pull from the knowledge base when needed. Okay, so now when somebody, we put in the, all we have to put in the system prompt, when someone asks question about this, use this tool. Okay, let me show you this on my system here. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my AI agent here, into the AI prompt, the configuration. So you can see right here, when I scroll down to the goal on the using, like to send the application link, right? So this is the same example. This is exactly how the knowledge base thing would work. What you would do is you say, you know, if they say yes, or if they ask a question about the brand, use send brand knowledge base tool immediately, right? So in this case, it says if they say yes, use the send application link tool immediately. Then say just sent it. So when it uses that tool, boom, it sends the link. Boom, it pulls the knowledge base. Boom, it pulls whatever other thing we need. And then it knows what to do, right? So that's just another layer to this whole thing. I mean, again, this is maybe a little bit all over the place, but it's everything that I've learned so that you don't have to make the same mistakes I did when I was first building these AI agents out, right? So let's go over, I guess, we'll look at this whole prompt here, right? Just so I can show you guys. So compliance and safety, boom, we can just apologize and tell them they'll never be contacted again. Never say they're accepted. They might be get reviewed. Never promise sales. Never ask for payment. Never pressure someone. Never use M dashes and stuff in the text, right? When it's sending text and whatever. You know, we add some stuff here, like some basic objections that we hear all the time so that it can get a gist of things. The temperature determines, like, if we go low on the temperature, what, oh, it's, yeah, there it is. At the bottom here, if you go low in the temperature, then it's going to be very strict on what it's saying, and everything that I put in here, it'll say word for word. If I raise it up more, then what will happen is the agent will be a little more creative. It has more creative freedom on to change its responses. Okay. So, I just have some basic stuff, qualification flow, facts about the offer. Like, again, like I said, this stuff isn't going to bloat the context too much because this agent has one job and one job only, and it's only connected to this founding cohort page. Okay. If I, like, that's where you'll see in here, I have the ability to create AI agents for every little thing we need. If I need one for family law, if I need one for Adobe real estate, if I need one for 22 title, if I need one for, Jess is our founding cohort, whatever. You get the point, right? You get what I'm saying here. We make different agents for every single thing. So I made it my own. This app, I guess I haven't even said that yet. So this entire app, which let me make it not full screen so we can look at it a little bit together. This entire app was made using a single Claude Code or Codex subscription. You can do the $100 a month plan and you'll be just fine. The reason I'm on the $200 a month is because I have client projects that I'm also working on at the same time. And the point is, you pull up Claude in your terminal, just like this. I know this is, now we're getting a little technical, but don't even worry about that, business owners, because you can always just hire some guy, some nerd like me, and boom, here we are. You can see he's starting the next task, but AI agents, use the AI agents to build web app or a desktop app if you'd prefer it be on the desktop. Like, this is an Electron app that I built using AI agents that actually runs my business, helps me run my business. But the point is, make a system so that you can do it right for yourself. That's really all it is now. You shouldn't be subscribing to Retell or 11 Labs or Vapi or one of these other SaaS AI. No, you can have someone build you a system like this one time for, I don't know, 25 grand, 50 grand, depending on how many features you need, maybe a little more. And it's a one-time thing. Then you have AI sales team that works 24/7 for forever, right? I mean, you build this yourself, costs you $500 and a lot of headaches, a lot of time, several months possibly to build this whole thing. Or you can just bring someone on like me who can do it for you that already has the experience and whatever. Anyways, you get the point. So I can create a new agent here. I can give it a new agent name. I can set the prompt, choose what tools it needs. So I'll just show you the flow a little bit so that you guys can get a kind of an example, right? So if I just type this, it'll fill like a basic voice agent prompt. And then look, I give it tool calls. So this is the thing. This is the other thing, guys. The biggest thing you need to understand with AI agents, they're only as good as their tool calls, right? If they're confused about what tools to call and when to call them and things like that, then the agent's never going to get actual productive work done, because these tools are the things that allow them to actually work inside other applications, okay? So if I want to get booking done, well, I'll get the appointment booking stuff. I get the contact management so it can search customers, view details, all that stuff. Definitely want it to be able to end calls and use the IVR navigation, which is, let's say it calls someone and there's a menu that comes up. Hey, press 1 for sales, press 2 for service. Boom, the AI agent can handle that. HubSpot, Salesforce, Slack, whatever. We don't use Twilio. We use Telnix, so we don't even need that. Stripe, do we want it to accept payments or not? Do we want it to be able to cancel bookings or just create them? Boom, things like that, right? Now settings here. Do we want call recording and transcripts and all this stuff on? It's like, yeah, definitely. Create the agent and boom, now we have a new voice agent. All right, my webcam keeps going out. Nothing wants to work for me today. What? There goes again. All right, so this was a bit all over the place. I'm pissed off at this point. I'm not going to lie to you. All right, let's talk about one more thing that's pretty useful, and that's getting your AI agents to actually make us proactive. All right, this is the last point that I want to make in this video for now, because not going to lie, I'm kind of pissed off this morning. So what you want to do is have your AI agents make things more proactive for you. All right, we're not trying to add another system that we have to manage. No, we're trying to add it so that the AI agents manage this shit for us, and so that things actually get taken care of, so that things are proactive, right? So what are these? These are nudges. These human in the loop nudges are customized. They can be done for different things. They can be for 30-day reminders. They could be send this person their birthday's next week, send them a handwritten birthday card next week. It could be, hey, this is the 1 year anniversary of when we moved into their house. Like if you're a real estate agent, boom, reminder of sending them a gift for their 1 year house anniversary or whatever, right? The point is using AI agents to make us proactive, okay? Instead of us always reacting to things, the AI agents are going to make us proactive, okay? So that's where these human in the loop nudges come in. They're very, very simple, okay? It's not a crazy concept, and all it is basically text notifications, okay? But we add the AI agent level to it so that there can be reasoning and thinking behind it, okay? So it can tell you in that message on sending the birthday card example, it can remind you of their other people in their lives' names, their kids, their whatever. Say, mention their dog or whatever, right? It'll have all these notes in the CRM about that the AI agent can look at and refer to when it sends you the nudge. Okay, so that's the last point I want to make, using the AI agents to make yourself proactive. Okay, so this is my name's Nolan Grout. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Comment. I'm curious about what you're trying to automate, what you want AI agents to handle inside of your specific business. What would it be? You had the AI agent do everything for you. What would that task be? Let me know in the description below. Or in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. Other than that, operators, business owners, founders, everybody else that's watching my channel, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it. Today was a difficult video, man. People working outside, my camera dying, the audio not coming out of the computer, the dog bar, everything. So, yeah. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.